Hello people of the internet, Enfield Gaming here. Sorry we had to change cameras because it seems that Razer doesn't know how to optimize updates for their devices. This is a Razer phone 2 and just can't record 4K or 1080p videos, so I know it's a bit of a stretch that anybody's going to watch this video and get any information out of it, but we're taking apart this old, who's it made by? Kodak DC50 camera. It's like for schools, but hey, that's cool. Came with this nice like comfort texture thing, but here we are. This is the main unit. It hasn't been powered on in I don't know how long since there's a ton of corrosion right here. Yeah, right there. And there's also on the battery door. Yeah, that's pretty bad. I already have the screws over here, so if I do just cover your guys' vision, I'm sorry. But here's the control board. I took the one screw out, and we're going to disconnect it from its little home in there. I do want to make it so where you guys can like see it. It's a bit hard. But yeah, if you look at this, alright, so you see this little board right here. We're gonna undo this connector. You guys will not be able to see this, but that's alright, because I'll show you guys the board in greater detail. Should have probably pulled that back, yeah, and then just remember, we're like junking it after, so I don't really care if I do break the camera just there. Alright, so here's the power board for the, like taking pictures, and then the plus and minus for zoom. So that's nice. Right over there. Over there. Hopefully the mic quality is really good. We have two mics just by the camera, and yes, we are fully zoomed out. Oh yeah. All right. What next? What next? We will disconnect the flash, probably because it's the second easiest one, like right here. Screwdriver. Let me like twist it. Alright. Focus. Sorry, just focus. And it pulled out. Alright, I gotta. There. Came out. Just like that. Cool. That will dangle over there, wherever. Now we're moving a bit further. I was about to say don't break that, but it doesn't really matter. I'm trying to find out how to take these, like that. Yeah, take the plastic cover things off. There we go. Spring just right there came out. You guys can see that. It's a little spring. I'm going to zoom you guys in for this. There is a little like small spring. Oh, there it is. It fell down. Yeah, I can't show you guys, but it'll look too small. There it is. That little spring. Zoom back out. Here's the cover panel. I don't mean to mess with the screws. Yeah, I'm not using magnetic just because I don't care about these, but there, just pop out the, there's your, like, carbon, whatever, pitch pads, and also break this on camera. Oh wow, it's actually hard plastic. Cool. As you can see the damage. Just put my hand behind it. Yep. Pretty obvious. And also this piece. What next? What next? Alright, so we can see a display with, oh wow, oh wow. This thing has been corroded big time. This is bad. Yep, this would not even power on if I tried. That's good to know. But we're going to take out the one screw for the PCB right here. that holds the display on this whole like control PCB. I don't actually know what the main one is. It's not a computer. Let's see. Yeah, that. There's also another one over here. Covered in corrosion. Yep. Definitely. Wow, I didn't know they left the batteries in that long. No wonder they threw it away. And that screw. Went over there. There it is. Yep. This should just fall out. Right, something is springing to action like it does not want to come out. Let's pry that there. Maybe there's still screws somewhere. Well, that'll be interesting. Let's see, what do we got? Sorry about this really crappy recording. My handycam made it to be charged, so it's charging while I'm recording. Yeah, well here, let's just take out these screws and see what happens. If you see a screw, remove it, so then we can find out what the greater meaning of it means. Kind of straightforward, I know. Been watching a lot of Linus tech tips. Watched this like 2-hour, it's pretty old 2-hour on building 3 PCs in 2 hours video. Yeah, if I talk about someone on my channel, you might as well go and subscribe to them because they are a lot better than I am and they do a lot more stuff than I do. They have a lot more of a budget than I do, I'll tell you that. Here, break that piece of plastic off and well, those 2 screws unmounted the little strap that you put your little thing in. So like it would have gone like something like that, you know, in that. I don't think I have to explain, but there's the screws and man, this corrosion's getting everywhere. I'll have to wipe off my desk after. That didn't really do anything to unlock any more screws. I know, the lighting's horrible in here. It's not, the camera doesn't like it at all. Where did these cables go? Oh, they're nestled in there somewhere. Jeez, are we really just, oh. That was supposed to come out really easy. Oh, wow. Here, let me get it out. Dude. That is huge. This is all battery corrosion. Wow. Yeah, look at that right there. I'll zoom in on it for you guys. Look at that. That is all corrosion. It does have a nice NEC, I don't know if this is the picture processor or whatever. It's NEC chip. Now we can get to everything, but oh wow, yes, see look. Whatever connection this one was right here. See there was a connection, like here, look at these. Out of the way, if you guys could see that there used to be a connection there. Used to be a connection. Right about there, if you can see the broken off pins. But look, it's right here. Man, yeah. It's right here. That is insane. Man, this thing is completely done. I mean, it kind of was, I thought, when I first got it, but now we're just gonna, sorry, I'm kind of blocking up the whole view, but we're just gonna unplug all the cables to this board and examine it more closely. I know this isn't the proper way to take screws off, take connectors off. Of course we're gonna do this one the proper way by pulling these 2 tabs out and then letting it go. So this is the part, oh, you know what that is? That's a display controller. So this is the front display part. Pretty corroded, and it's even worse on the back. That's, wow. And then there's just the mess of wires. Let's see. What else can we take apart? Yeah, there's a motherboard. Yeah, has this come off yet? Maybe it's just like whole unit. Yeah, it's just like the bottom part. But it still does seem to be connected to a lot of stuff. Well, here, let's like string all these through since we can now. And then that one goes to the zoom camera. Or, I'm sorry, the zoom motor for the camera. Oh, well, you could have just done that. It would have been easier. And then, I don't know where this goes. But I do see a... Oh, that's a completely different thing. Alright. We can't really take this out yet, but does this pop off? Oh yeah, it does. Alright, I'm just gonna try and get a good view of this popping off. Just wrestling it around. Alright, there, popped off. Oh, it did not pop off as easy as I wanted it to. There are a lot of wires and stuff right here. Yeah, let me fix that. This will go to, we got like a switch. So that's what this useless, you know what? Yeah, I'm just gonna like pull this out of here unless this like does something. Oh, it's the, yeah. It's the flash bulb. Let me see if I can get it out. Yeah, I did. Now it just needs to be fished through all this. Jeez. It's like come out all the way. Or break it. Well, I just kind of made it worse and twisted that right off. Well, you know what? Maybe this won't be coming with us. No, unless we take out these screws. Hope you can guys see some of this. Okay, I took that. What is that? Must be the sensor. And this is probably gonna go flying. Man, that's under some pressure. Yep. I definitely could see that flying about all the way across my room, which is not very big, so yeah, it definitely could. But I'm just gonna forcefully make it do that. Ah, oh, I sprung inside. Not that bad. Let's see what we can do now. Does this like just go back in if I didn't destroy it? Yeah, I would say. This is like really weird. Maybe we can just like break him off of here. Here, I have a level that has the scissor attachment. We can cut stuff. A second, I have to get it out. Yep, video's rolling. We are, well, not live. This is not real time. It's, well, yeah, it's real time. It's not live, but it's real time. I forgot the terminology for that. I'm just gonna make sure you guys can see this. Cut the wires. So I'll show you stuff with them. Now we're gonna just pull the, what was that for? A heat sensor? Or what? I really don't got a clue. Now we're just pulling this out. And yeah, there it is. Here's the light, the little flash. Cool. This was like a heat sensor, like, I don't know. The rest of this is, oh, it's for the sensors. Oh, the screws. You know, maybe if it didn't like go all ape on it, we could have got it out correctly, but it doesn't seem that, you know, I always resort to my first method, which is destruction. Well, that's very nice. Yeah. And, oh, there that is. Does this come out now? Yes, it does. So these are the two sensors. One is like light and then one is like laser. autofocus, I think, LAF. Yeah, here's like the buttons. There's a little like, oh man, it's really a little clicky button. So there's that over there. Is that, yeah, let me see if I can get some music on for you guys. So this seems a bit boring. You're just gonna see my mouse for a few seconds. Let's see, what do we got? Alright, so it's gonna be good. I don't know what music I have. Look at my Spotify playlist and see what is good. Yeah, it's very unlikely for us to get a copyright strike or ban because we're such a little channel and the people that watch this won't really report it. If you do, you suck. But we're waiting for Spotify to load up right here. It's like the slowest. Oh well, maybe you didn't update. I have no clue. Can't really move the camera because you guys are charging. You guys just look at my lovely Dell optical mouse. It's USB actually. My keyboard's still PS2. That's right. Let's see what's in here. You know what? We'll do some. Let's see. Guess we'll. Let's see what we got. Melted ice. Play. Which gives some. You guys can hear that well, but we're gonna just keep on taking the camera apart. I think this is the thing for the sensors right here. These screws right here. I'm taking out. There's one of them right there. And no, my keyboard does not have any like shortcut for media keys because it's in IBM for PS2 computers. And no, I mean like for computers that have PS2. I don't mean like a PS2. I don't even have the space for IBM PS2. Alright, screw came out. Adjust the volume. Yes. Alright, okay, so the whole sensor board comes out right here. Here it is. These are both of those like weird looking sensors. That seems to do something. That's a bit weird. There's the nice connector on that one with a nice capacitor on it. And some circuitry. Nope. Off and there it goes. What else? Oh, there you can see that sensor better. Oh, sorry, you guys are out of focus. Hopefully you guys can see that. There's like a T antenna on my viewfinder, so every color is bad. It does seem to be... that's what's, I think, keeping it in. I think it's done now. Yeah, so let's see if I can take this thing off. Well, there's a screw that I did not see before. Everything in this old crappy camera is really easy to take apart. I know you guys can't see this part. Sorry about that, but I need to get this screw out to see if we can get more of your viewing experience. Well, that came out. The little door that says Type 2 only. Yeah, you guys can read it upside down. Let's see. Any screws here? Doesn't really seem like it. This part is free. Alright, there's something on this side affecting it then. Nope, it definitely does not just brute force off yet. Aha, I see a screw. It's like there. You guys can't see it though. Well, I'll get it for you guys. Sorry, I had to lean it. Man. Had to lean in and find that one. Yeah, that's gonna be a pain. Yeah, let's get this little plate thing over there. There we go. Yeah, if you ever played the game Burnout Paradise, this is the songs to it. I'm still one of my childhood games. Whoa, that's a huge screw. Yeah, you guys might even be able to see it on my crappy camera. Wow. Okay, does this come off now? Oh, it sure does. There we go. So, as you see all the little corrosion bits, that's going over there. So, this is the whole camera thing now. Just looking pretty cool. What next? I'm just gonna start taking off all the screws. Oh, let's get that connected first. Oh, there we go. Where that goes to get all these little... all these connectors. Let's see. Get the big one. Get this big photo one. And it lifts up. Cool. Like that. Let's get this little connector. Oh, where does it actually go? We might go to... oh, that's a ground right there. Or that's a neutral. Hold out its cable. Here we go, pulled out. Alright, so it seems like this one is ready to come out. Alright, that one goes there. Yeah, you know, I've had this thing for a while, but you know, since there's really nothing to do in it, so it's spring break and the coronavirus, which is garbage, I think. People really should like stop believing it's really that big of a thing unless you live in America or China. You know, because America, we're #1 right now. But I don't currently live in America. So let's see, does this come off yet? I guess we can get rid of this button thing, but it does work better than it ever did. I will say that. Let's see if we can get this. It's off. Yeah, let's see what this is. I don't think it's coming off. Yeah, at least not this moment. Go back there. Let's see, what other stuff can we... there's a screw there. Nope, screwdriver doesn't even fit in there. No camera module. Does this come apart yet? Alright, we have one of these. I don't know, it looks like a grounding. Oh, it's the battery terminals. Yeah, if you look at there, I think I'll be able to pry this one out. There we go. The positive battery terminal. Yeah, that's what's in it. Look at that corrosion. Like, it's on that connector. Yep, there it goes. Yeah, right there. That's nasty stuff right there. Dang, that's insane. See if I can get you guys some. Let's see. Let's get some nice stuff in here. This totally doesn't go for like the thing. Oh wow, yeah, see look. There was so much corrosion on that, I almost missed a screw. I don't know if that's coming out. That is really bad. Man. Yeah, that's good bad. I just can't get that one thing to cut that connector right there. So I cut it, so we don't have to worry about that anymore. See, it's free. The negative battery terminal is free. I know you guys can't see it. Well, at least not very well. Right, where did these two wires go to? It's a new journey. Alright, they go to this side of the board and they connect on this side of the board. So we can cut those. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go, fix it. Alright. Okay. Cut that. There. So now that can just dangle over there out of our way, because we don't need it right now. The positive, oh yeah, positive and negative, it should have been on, well the negative should have been on the terminal, but it's not. That's fine. So there's those. Add the way, I don't think I can get this thing out. This is like way too, that's way too on there, yeah. Nice, all those resistors. Yeah, I'm not the smartest. Like independent little like wires. Let's see. This seems to be a negative terminal off that one, so I'll cut that right there. There we go, cut that. Right, that came right out, so I think that's the zoom camera. There's a lot of stuff in this camera. But okay, they don't make cameras this good no more. Then again, they don't make cameras nearly as big anymore, so I'm gonna cut that one there. You guys might actually be able to see this one. I'm sorry, this is probably 480p, but like I said, my Razer phone is not working. But there we go. Right there, just had to cut all the unnecessary wires and it comes out. Ooh, wow. Let's see what's in here. I'm actually interested. You can just put that to the side there. Hopefully we have some better light because the monitor is pretty bright. Brightness is at 40. That's my optimal. I like it that way. Yeah, we're gonna take out the CF reader. Nice, like. I accidentally got that one loose with that, like, plier thing there. Alright, there's the shield. We might have to cut that part right there. I don't know how thin this aluminum is. Well, sure was thin enough for us to. That would probably be very sharp. So I'm just gonna roll that over like that. There. Here's the reader. It's the pins where the card goes into. Does it come off the board yet? Hey, I think it does. Now we just need to bend it up. Yeah, just let me make sure. Yep. It's all on the board now. Wait, what, not there. Well, whatever that was. There, just, oh, there it is. There's the eject. These the eject part. Like ate my finger. What should just come off? I really need to cut every single one of these. We can try. Yeah, that's gonna be a pain. Can we break everyone? Okay, let me see if I can get my screwdriver all the way through and just. See how many of these I can get. Jeez, yeah, this is a pain. Man, okay, here. We need to put this. No more fun and games. All death. Flyers in there. Yep, you can definitely smell the patina of old electronics right here. That is not working. Man. There we go. That's a bit better. Man, yeah, that's pretty well held on it. Good job. Yeah, I think we're gonna break the board. Because they obviously don't have any cutting extension methods. Man, I don't really think I can do it. Broken in two. I don't really think it's gonna help much. No, I'm like totally out of shot, but I really don't want to get my dikes anyway, so that's alright. We'll be okay with that. It says HG on that one. Oh, OKI. Okay, I see right there. I do want to see what's in here. So, there's no way to keep a curious person out of here. So you know what? It's just gonna have to go. Let's see what's there. There we go. Sharp plastic. It's not really that big of a deal if this board snaps, because then again, I'm not really attached to this board or camera in any way, but that thing is tough. Man. Must have been keeping some secrets in here. Come on, secrets. Man. This is not working after. There's no putting this back together. This is completely fried after this. Oh, what's in here? Yeah, let's see that. No bloodshed yet, so we're doing pretty good. Let's see what's in it. Come on, we can get off there. There we go. And it has holded my plate shut. Okay, got off. Wow, yeah, it's a whole other world up in here. That's what was under that. Okay, cool. Really nothing more to that board. Nope. So now here's the camera mechanism. Alright, there's the other connection for this very long rubbing cable. Here, watch it. Watch it come up. Not there. That's how easy it is. Pop them up once you open this little receptacle part right here. I know. I actually saw on the camera. You guys can see that. Man, yeah, it would have been nice for me to have a pair of small pair of mics, and I don't have any if I recall. So we'll just be using the scissors, the Leatherman scissors, official licensed product. Yeah, that is definitely not budging. Is this like soldered down in any way? Nope. Alright, cool. That means it might be a bit easier to get the longest part of. There we go. So there is the huge, let's see, what is this, a 300 volt and 320 microfarad Rubicon. Wow, you don't see those anymore. yeah. Sweet. Here's this little jumper wire that will cut. There we go. Oh, there's a screw again. Alright. Oh, that's what that white and blue wire was for. It's connected to this board. And there's a cool little power board on there, and then that's how it interfaces with the main board. You know, that one over in the pile. Look. Okay, there's another screw right there. So do that. And I think the camera module is going to come out. Let's see. If it does, I'll definitely show you guys. Alright. So just like I'm gonna make it as easy for you guys as I can. Sure is wiggling. Yeah. You know what it is? It's this thing. Yeah. Oh, you want to see if that's glass right there? I can't tell, it just kind of broke. That's alright. I can't really see anything to that. Yeah, you can kind of, it's just all destroyed, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, see there's a broken terminal. Yep, still broken and still shedding corrosion. Oh, this is your aerial connectors. Man, yeah, they put screws everywhere, but I don't even think I can get to that yet. And this is supposed to come out like... Okay, let's cut that. Let's cut those posts off. Maybe it'll come out easier. Yeah, we never do anything about those, so... There. One off. Two off. And should it just slide out? Oh, there's something keeping it on. It's probably something really easy that I'm missing. You know, you only have once. Yeah. I guess you could have gotten to that little screw right there. That one, but here's the part. And then this is what you spent all your money on. Like this, I don't know how much this camera would cost. But, yeah, I don't know how we could go big or small. Don't really have any way to power it. Let's see. That goes to there. Goes to there. Okay, so we got two screws right here. I'll take out. Yeah, I do kind of wish I had an overhead camera, but that would be way too hard to set up in my room. And I don't even have the equipment for that. And it would be so jerry-rigged. I bet it wouldn't even be funny. Oh yeah, well they've nicely engineered this part. They put lots of screws in it. Where else? Oh wow, yeah, they put 4 in here. Yeah, they definitely didn't want this falling out, I'll tell you what. Hopefully the music isn't like overbearing the video. Oh wow, look at that here. Let's know the volume. Look, that is the image sensor. That is what you paid your money for right there. That is really cool. Yep. Oh, well, I was gonna say we'll come back to it, but I just dropped it and it fell into pieces. Oh, clumsy me. And then at least the actual image sensor is okay, so... Hey, yeah, we'll come back to that. I think it's a piece of glass, yeah. Plays the density of glass. Yeah, let's take this whole mechanism part of it. That'd be kind of cool. So we're gonna get these parts. Yeah, these screws are so tiny I almost can't see them, so you guys will have to bear with me. So let's push these. Alright, there's that. Yeah. I'm just gonna cut all the wires that are going to it right now. Just so that we save some... So that we save some space, of course. I don't know how loud or how small, I mean how unloud or quiet our mic is. Because I really did use this camera for YouTube. So we're gonna get, oh yeah, 2-in-1. Let's go. Oh well, I accidentally cut it in the wrong places. Fine with me. Throw that over there. Yep, now I'll get back to unscrewing this mechanism. Yeah, there's a lot of screws on this thing. Yep, the P80 is really all you need because we can get a 00. I don't know about a 000, but I do know I can get a 00. I know Dave Grohl might not like that I'm just like giving his music away, but you know, that'll be alright. You aren't even that big of a channel anyway. Even if we do get banned permanently. Not like it will matter, and we can make another account if we so wish. You know, that's alright. Oh, okay, I'm too careless to pick up that screw and put it in the pile. Take that screw out. There we go. My more screws. One under there, no. One under there, no. Let's just see if it pops it off. Wow, there are a million screws on this thing. Yeah, sorry, I don't think I can like speed this up in any way because number one, my camera's ancient and I don't think my crappy video editing software supports that. I'd be like, oh yeah, what software is that then? Well, plainly it's just Microsoft's like Photos video editor. I don't have the money for a legit like Premiere Pro thing. I just don't, you know. I'm not gonna pay $650 a year for it either. So, man. Yes, hey, it'll give your fingers a workout, but it needs to be done. Alright. We're gonna get that one. Yep, that's a screw, but it's really tiny. Man. Ah, I think it came apart. Nope. I think this last screw is necessary. Yeah, that's in there. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, it's been going on for 45 minutes. I bet this is going to be a very boring video. But I do want to see what's inside this old garbage camera. Well, now it's a garbage camera. I don't even know what the quality is like. Oh, well, hey, there's the optical sensor. Not like, that's just like the optical light sensor. It isn't the actual photo sensor. Because photo sensor is right here. What else? Man. They really got it locked down on screws. trust me, no burglar is gonna come in here and steal your lens. This is way too sophisticated. Yeah, I bet this cost a lot. But I guess if a school bought it in bulk, it wasn't really that bad. Yeah, I can't even keep a hole in my screwdriver. Man, that's insane. Of course, this is not a trying to fix video or anything. It's just I wanted to see what was in this old camera that I had, and I knew it was already too broken to like turn on, and so I just didn't even try. Even though, man, maybe I should have, because I did want to see what it would do. If it would do anything. Alright, we took all the screws out there. Alright, so this part just pops off like that. This thing, I don't know what it does. Oh, I think it's for like the focus. You guys can't see it, but it's like moving the lens, so that's what that's for. A little metal bracket came off. I'll take the gears out. Must have been for fine-tuning. Yeah, no, that's too bad. I'm just gonna force this gear off on top of that one. That's alright. And a rod came out, and another rod came out, so pieces are falling out everywhere, but there's all the pieces. So our pile is getting pretty big. Yeah, once we get this all done, I'll show you guys the pile. Alright, is this finally gonna come out? Whoa. That's how it do. Whoa! There's the sensor. Man, it's not how to shine through that much. Ah, yeah, it probably died whenever it was in use. Yep, it's done now. Oh, yeah, now pieces are coming out. Oh. Man, at least it spins. Oh, that's cool. There's more screws in here. They're actually quite difficult to see. Because of this. My palms are getting sweaty. Just from, like, handling the screwdriver for so long. Man, this is insane. Right, I want to come out. There's gonna be screws and crap everywhere. Pull that. Wow, that's a long rod right there. And I knew I was gonna drop it. I just didn't win. So I didn't put all the rod and stuff over there. This part still doesn't want to. Oh, there we go. See, here's the motor that is actually in control. Yeah, get all the gears out. Belch them all out. That's what I'm talking about. I don't think that'll. Nope. But that's kind of how the zooming in and zooming. The W and T mechanism. Like, see, I have one. And if you actually listen closely, you can hear the motor inside there. So it's probably something similar to this, because it's still quite popular, you know, because yeah, how else are you gonna make a, you know, have a physical zoom without having a digital zoom, you know, and especially, I mean, you probably have a high quality one, but it would have to be like a frame by frame thing, and that would be horrible. It would just tank everything. Let's see. I don't really think I can break that, but break it off. I missed a screw. Oh, whatever. There's the motor that does the zoom in and zoom out, and then I think that's the one that does the focus. Man, 2 motors, and something fell on my shoe. But also, little bracket thing, and there. You can see right through there. Yep, see my cup. Cool. And then this part looks like a spool. Wow, yeah, let's put my screwdriver down. This looks really cool. Man, I don't know if you guys can see. It's really hard to show you guys something, but like this turns. Okay, let me see if I can get it apart. Yeah. See if those 2 little copper things out of the way. Probably come apart. Yep, comes straight apart. And there's the thing himself. I'm gonna go pull them off. There's copper. I don't know what that thing does. Oh, it's the F, like the f-stop. Yeah. Oh, dude, that is too cool. It's like, yeah, look. So whenever I have that close, and then it shuts. It's that thing. That's really, really cool. Wow. And that thing is stronger than I thought. Like, she still can't see it. I did that, and now that, I mean, it's destroyed, but that is really cool. You can see through that. Then here's like the whole, it doesn't really do any of that part. Any screws on this thing? Yeah, finally got out of screw territory. Oh, it's like definitely gonna, you see what it's really made of. This guy can't really show it because it's on the ground. Jeez, nothing. There we go. We cracked the glass. Yeah, that's pretty good. Can't, yeah, no. I got a chip. That's it. I also want to show you guys the image sensor. That's the part that takes your picture. And let's see how strong that is. That is a really strong thing. Yeah, I can't even get that to break. Let's use a more specialized tool for doing it. Oh, there we go. Just needed the right tool. You won't be taking many pictures with that. And that can actually see stuff that I can't. So that is really cool. Yep, won't be taking pictures with that. And that is the whole thing completed. Let me just show you guys the mess. Sorry that the camera just has such a dead battery. It's so old that it died. But hopefully you guys saw the pile. And yeah, it's pretty big. So what we're gonna do is, put it in the garbage. Put it all in the garbage. So it's actually kind of full. See if I can accommodate. There we go. Should be able to fit all the parts now. That thing, the lens, all the boards, that. Yeah, I guess if you guys want to know where this came from a place called, like, Vess? It says it's similar. Yeah, there it is, Vess. It came from Vess. I don't know what that is. It sure wasn't the dumpster I got out of. There's no dumpster named Vess, but, who knows. Yeah, definitely a thing lovely thing to take apart. I've never seen that much corrosion on something ever. Yeah, I guess you see some new stuff, so I'm also just gonna, clean up this part out here. Really did make a mess of my area. Not bad. Straight in. Yeah. There's all the stuff. Stuff in the garbage can. You guys stay there. And then I will pop the lid back on. Then put it over here and roll with the outro. So, yep, now it is in handycam mode. It's my wallet there. Put that back in my pocket. But hopefully you guys like that little thing right there. What was it called? Like a Kodak DC50 or something. Put the away, put the screwdriver away. I'll gotta get this all wiped up and yeah. So hopefully you guys if you guys like the video, and it's definitely a nice thing we did, but hopefully I can produce more content, and hopefully it's actually screen recorded off the computer. But anyway, see you guys in the next video.